This week, the global automotive world is roaring with change. From the high-speed roads of Italy to the precision factories of Germany, and all the way to the fast-growing streets of India, the luxury auto and motorcycle industry is shifting gears like never before. 3 names, one common theme: transformation. Ferrari, Porsche, and TVS are leading major moves in this evolving landscape. Let's start in Maranello, Italy, home to the legendary Ferrari. Ferrari is cutting shipments to the United Kingdom, a key market, due to the abolishment of the quote non-dom tax status. Ferrari fears luxury spending in the UK could cool sharply and is taking steps to protect its brand's long-term value, focusing on markets with stable wealth growth like the Middle East and North America. In the luxury world, rarity equals value. Meanwhile, in Germany, the story is one of change and challenge for Porsche. Michael Leiters, a veteran who previously led McLaren and helped shape Porsche's SUV division, is set to make a comeback as chief executive officer amidst declining sales, especially in China. Porsche's new leadership aims to streamline production, cut operating costs, and refocus on premium, high-margin models that define their brand identity. Electric innovation remains central, but the company is also planning to enhance the emotional side of its cars, including sound, design, and the signature Porsche driving feel, which many say has been missing in recent EV models. And now, shifting gears to the east, India's TVS Motor Company has entered the global spotlight. TVS has officially launched the TVS Apache RTX, its first true adventure touring motorcycle. This marks a major leap for TVS into the premium and adventure segment, directly rivaling KTM's Adventure Series and Royal Enfield's Himalayan lineup. Analysts believe TVS's expansion could reshape Asia's two-wheeler landscape, with rising disposable income and growing youth interest in premium motorcycles. From Ferrari's selective distribution to Porsche's corporate transformation and TVS's leap into new markets, the message is clear. Mobility is evolving on every front, with luxury brands competing on strategy, adaptability, and vision, not just horsepower or design. In a time of global uncertainty, where the economy, technology, and sustainability all collide, these moves show how the world's most powerful automakers are rewriting their playbooks. The next generation of cars and bikes will be smarter, greener, and more exclusive than ever before. Stay tuned with JTN Hub for global automotive news, in-depth analysis, and expert breakdowns. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, because the next revolution on wheels is already revving up. As the race for innovation accelerates, one thing is certain: the roads ahead belong to those who dare to evolve.